guys! Hey, this is Faye from Feisworld Media. My mission here is to help content creators turn their body of work into predictable revenue streams. And today I'm bringing forward another video about Restream, and it's one of the most exciting features called Restream Pairs. Is exactly what it sounds like. If you're into live streaming or you have contemplated whether you should go live or not, but what if there's no audience waiting? What if it takes forever to build a live stream audience? Look no further, because Restream is now allowing you through simple clicks with a free account for your guests to be able to easily stream onto their channels. Check it out. So as a host, you're able to invite up to 5 different guests, and then you can stream onto 20 platforms total. That's probably way more than you'll ever need. Even with just one more person, I have been creating content for a little while now, and my combined audience is probably at this moment 20 to 25,000. What if I can simply go live with another person with the same amount of audience? Together, collectively, now we're streaming in front of 50,000 audience members. To me, this is a complete no-brainer. And the good news is, if you're searching for Restream Pairs at the moment, you're gonna find a few videos, and I gotta say, Restream has done a really good job providing tutorials. In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step how to do it. Frankly, the tech stuff is really straightforward. I'm also including links in the description below for the step-by-step process in addition to the video. If you have a VA, if your guest has a VA, then the easiest thing is to send them the links and to set things up. Step number 1, as a host, you schedule your Restream event as usual, and all you need, by the way, the license is standard. It's $19 a month, and I've included a link below. You can get a credit for $10 just to check it out, and you can cancel your plan at any time. And this Restream Pairs feature is completely free for all your guests. They can sign up for a forever free account. They do not have to be a subscriber of Restream. So it's a no-brainer for them and for you. Tip number 2, once you set up the event, you have a unique link you can easily send to your guest or your guests. They're able to, offline prior to the event, connect all their social media channels. Step number 3, guess what? The guests themselves don't have to be even live with you during the stream. Of course, they're welcome to, but if this is an act where you're simply streaming on your own or with other people onto your guests' networks, you can just do that on your own. It's super simple. They don't have to be live with you. Number 4, what if your guests don't have an active Restream account at all? No worries. With your link, they're able to easily sign up for a forever free Restream account. This way, they're able to go live with you, and the sign-up process takes just minutes. Number 5, what if your guests change their minds? No need to panic. With that same link, they're able to come back to Restream and turn on their channels at any time. That's something you can let them know upfront, and there's no obligation. If they change their minds, you're easily able to just go live on your own social channels. Let's talk about some of the soft tips. What if people are not comfortable going live with you? I think that's understandable. If you're a new content creator, or that you haven't really gone live with this particular guest, or let's say this person has a pretty large following, these are all the reasons when someone can simply say no. Live streaming has been trending so hot these days. At one point, it's just gonna seem super normal and natural to a lot of the creators. So over time, into 2022 and beyond, I think you're gonna have way many more people to say yes to you and feel pretty comfortable being in front of the camera, live and unscripted, not over-prepared. But in the meantime, I encourage you to perhaps go back to your previous guests. You have maybe recorded audios with them, you have gone live with them. Now you can invite them back for a second round, and this time you can ask them to also share the live stream to their channels. I think Restream Pairs is going to work really well with co-creators and producers, people who are already going live together. I know a number of people, such as my friends Warner and Tammy. They've been co-hosting shows for quite a while now, and I can see this as a very natural next step for them. Lastly, as a busy content creator myself, I know sometimes you get pushbacks as to, I don't know what Restream is, I'm not comfortable live streaming, and I don't have time to learn anything. Well, in this case, Restream has done a really good job. In my description below, where they're giving you step-by-step tutorials. It's really easy to follow. These blog posts actually take minutes to read. That's it, guys. That is a wrap. I'm so glad you're watching this. Hey, if you're a content creator, please let me know more about your story, and let me know what you like to learn and for me to cover next. Let me know your challenges, your struggles. Leave me a comment below. Give me some ideas on what you like to hear and learn from me next. Thank you so much for being part of this tribe, small but mighty, and I'll see you next time. Bye!